So we're gonna go upstairs here.
So this is Peter's channel, guys. Everybody, if you're watching his video, please subscribe to his channel. And
Give me some paper.
yeah,
Another paper, please.
he's now gonna try to make an airplane. So yeah,
So down here, so long. So we'll go down, guys. It's so long, long. So
nice speaking English.
speaking.
Jogging.
So like this. This paper is like
So
that.
you need you need a blue thingy.
Hey guys, we're taking a picture.
So here we go.
So
Wait.
how did you do that?
Wait.
So like that.
Does it work?
Yep.
Does it work yet? So, oh my gosh, you cannot really see it. So,
Like that.
So let's try. And there we go.
So
You cannot really see.
it's so near. So can you see?
Yeah, they can see, but it's really.
Like that. So it's not mom.
Is it far or not?
It's not far.
Peter just said mom. Oh my gosh. Seriously.
Stop it. So when you like that, so when you like this and like this and
Yeah, fold it in half, guys.
then there's a
Say fold it in half.
fold it in half.
And
When you like this, fold it in half. So like
actually, guys, you know how to do this airplane is just.
it's correct.
It's just like first time folding it. So, yeah, guys.
So correct. That's really correct. So like that. So this is so cool. So when you like this, like that, like that, and this airplane is so cool when you like this.
Align it.
There. So when you like this, really hot.
It's so funny, guys.
So what's that, Mrs. Hood? Mrs. Hitch. Is that yours?
Nope.
What?
I'm gonna try and do videos. What's it, guys? I'm just kidding. I'm gonna take a video later when you're done.
Okay, like this.
Yo, look at that ass. Laugh.
And like that. And then like Maths is so hard. So
Let them show the airplane, yo. Hold it.
let me lightning, okay? I like lightning and the thunder.
So, what do you call your airplane's name?
Peter Bermejo airplane.
Peter Bermejo airplane?
Yeah.
So, what? So, this is your airplane. So, this is Peter Bermejo airplane. And, guys, subscribe to his channel.
So
It's Gabriel
funny.
Philip Monyo and my channel. So, oh my gosh. And we're gonna test fly it.
Yep. Hold it.
Yep.
I will use lightning, okay?
Okay.
So when you fly like this, just airplane. So 3, 2, 1, go.
Whoa, that's amazing. Let's go to the stairs.
1.
Okay,
Go.
guys.
Look at me, look at me.
um.
Oh, look at me. Let's go to this room.
Hey, get your airplane, yo.
Where's the airplane?
So guys, you just noticed earlier it's like the video's like that. It's like reverse. Like reverse. Okay.
So, bye guys.